Did you know that women make up less than 25% of tech workers? It's time to change that. Let's explore the inspiring stories of women who are leading the way in tech. The tech world is changing. We're not just talking about breaking barriers. We're exploring how women are building incredible careers in some of the most in-demand and high-paying tech fields with monthly earning between $100,000 and $150,000. So, whether you're a woman considering a career change or you're just curious about the tech world, stick around. This one's for you. More and more women are stepping into the light. I remember a time when I was the only woman in my tech class. It was intimidating, but it fueled my determination to succeed. Today, I'm proud to be part of a growing community of women in tech. The top high-demand, top-paying career part are coders, engineers, entrepreneurs, and leaders, QA engineering, QA automation, QA bundle, UX/UI design, sales engineering, and data analytics. This is an exciting time to be a woman in tech. We are breaking down barriers and building the future. For too long, the tech industry has been painted as a boys' club. But the reality is that women have always been pioneers in technology, even if history hasn't always given them the credit they deserve. Now let's explore 6 high-demand, top-paying tech careers where women are making significant impacts. First up, QA engineering. Quality assurance engineers are the guardians of great software. They ensure that apps, websites, and programs work flawlessly before they reach users. Listen to interview with female QA engineer.
As a QA engineer, I get to be both creative and analytical. I think of all the ways a user might interact with a product and then test those scenarios. It's like being a detective and a problem solver rolled into one. QA engineers are in high demand across all industries, and the role offers a great entry point into tech. Plus, with an average salary of $75,000 to $100,000, it's a lucrative career choice. Next, QA automation. Let's talk about QA automation. This field takes QA to the next level by using programming skills to create automated tests. QA automation engineers write code that tests other code. It's a perfect blend of programming and quality assurance. Women in this field often report high job satisfaction due to the creative problem-solving involved. Now listen to interview with female QA automation engineer.
QA automation engineer. I love that I get to code, but my code has the specific purpose of ensuring quality. It's rewarding to see how my work directly improves the end product. With salaries ranging from $90,000 to $120,000, QA automation is a fantastic career for women who enjoy both coding and quality control. Moving on to UX/UI design. This field is all about creating intuitive, enjoyable experiences for users. UX/UI designers are the architects of the digital world. They ensure that websites and apps are not just functional, but also a pleasure to use. Listen to interview with female UX/UI designer.
UX/UI designer. As a woman in UX/UI, I bring a unique perspective to design. We often approach problem-solving differently, which leads to more inclusive and innovative designs. UX/UI designers can earn between $80,000 and $110,000 annually. It's a field where creativity meets technology, making it an attractive option for many women. Next is sales engineering. Now let's explore sales engineering. This role bridges the gap between complex technical products and the customers who need them. Listen to sales engineer giving a presentation. Sales engineers often earn between $100,000 and $150,000, with additional commission opportunities. It's a high-paying field with lots of room for growth. Last, but certainly not least, we have data analytics. In today's data-driven world, this field is booming. Data analysts turn raw data into actionable insights. They help companies make informed decisions and predict future trends. Data analysts can earn between $60,000 and $100,000 early in their careers, with senior roles commanding even higher salaries. It's a field with immense growth potential. This is not just about filling quotas, it's about unlocking the full potential of the tech industry by embracing diverse perspectives and experiences. This is our moment. Let's seize it together.
The journey hasn't been easy. Are you a woman looking to break into tech? Or maybe you're already here and want to connect with other inspiring women? This video is for you. Let's build a stronger, more inclusive tech community together. Women have faced and continue to face significant challenges in the tech industry. Gender bias, stereotypes, and a lack of representation have created barriers for generations of women. The early days of computing were filled with images of men in white coats, huddled around massive machines. These images, while iconic, often obscured the crucial roles women played in those same rooms, writing code, developing algorithms, and pushing the boundaries of what was possible. Even today, unconscious bias can creep into hiring practices, workplace cultures, and access to opportunities. This can make it harder for women to enter the field, advance in their careers, and have their voices heard. But we are resilient. We are raising awareness, challenging the status quo, and creating a more inclusive and equitable tech ecosystem for ourselves and for the generations to come. Before we talk about the future, let's remember the women who paved the way. Women like Ada Lovelace, who, in the 1800s, wrote the first computer program, before computers even existed. Grace Hopper, a rear admiral in the U.S. Navy, developed the first compiler for a computer programming language, making coding accessible to more people. Katherine Johnson, a brilliant mathematician, calculated the trajectories for NASA missions, including the Apollo 11 mission that landed the first humans on the moon. These women, and countless others, defied expectations and broke down barriers. Their contributions not only advanced technology, but also inspired generations of women to pursue their passions in STEM fields. These pioneers remind us that women have always been at the forefront of innovation. They are our role models, proving that we belong in the rooms where the future is being built. The good news is that the tech industry is beginning to recognize the importance of diversity and inclusion. Companies large and small are launching initiatives to support women in tech. Google, for example, has programs like Women Tech Makers and Google for Startups. Women founders that provide resources, mentorship, and networking opportunities for women in the industry. Salesforce is committed to equal pay and has made significant strides in closing the gender pay gap within its workforce. IBM has a long history of supporting women in STEM, with programs like Excite Camp, which encourages young girls to explore careers in technology. These are just a few examples of the positive changes happening across the industry. By investing in diversity and inclusion, these companies are not only doing the right thing but also making good business sense. Diverse teams are more innovative, more creative, and better equipped to solve complex problems. Charting your course, a guide for aspiring tech professionals. So, you're interested in a career in tech? That's fantastic. Which tech career is perfect for you? Find your path in tech. Click the link in the description below to start your career in tech. Discover your perfect tech career. Tech career for all. Get the career services you need to land a job, because education is just one piece of the job search puzzle. Click the link below to take complete training and build a long-term, high-demand career in tech with $115K AVG salary, no prior experience or degree required. The top 6 high-demand and $115K AVG salary are 1. QA Engineering 2, QA Automation 3, QA Bundle 4, UX UI Design 5, Sales Engineering 6, Data Analytics. The tech industry is full of opportunities, and there's a place for you here. Here are a few tips to help you get started. First, focus on your education. Whether it's a traditional computer science degree, a coding boot camp, or online courses, there are countless pathways to gain the skills you need. Remember, the tech world needs diverse voices and perspectives. Your unique experiences and viewpoints as a woman are invaluable in this industry. So whether you're drawn to the precision of QA, the creativity of UX UI design, the problem solving of sales engineering, or the insights of data analytics, there's a place for you in tech. Don't be afraid to explore different areas of tech to find your passion. Second, network. Attend industry events, join online communities, and reach out to people you admire for informational interviews. Building relationships is crucial in any field, but especially in tech, where collaboration is key. Third, find a mentor. Having someone to guide you, offer advice, and provide support can make all the difference. Many organizations offer mentorship programs specifically for women in tech. From inspiration to reality, stories of women who dared to code. Let's hear from some amazing women who took the leap and are now thriving in tech. Sarah, a former teacher, decided to learn to code after becoming fascinated by the possibilities of educational technology. She enrolled in a coding boot camp and is now a software engineer, developing apps that make learning more engaging for students. Maria, a single mother, taught herself to code while working full-time. She started by building websites for small businesses in her community and eventually landed a job as a web developer at a major tech company. These stories, and countless others like them, are a testament to the power of hard work, determination, and a willingness to embrace new challenges. They are proof that it's never too late to pursue your dreams, no matter your background or circumstances. A future forged together. Diversity as the catalyst for innovation. The tech industry is shaping our world in profound ways. From artificial intelligence to biotechnology, the technologies we develop today will have a lasting impact on our future. That's why it's more important than ever to ensure that the people building these technologies reflect the diversity of the world we live in. When we have more women in tech, we have more perspectives at the table. We have more voices contributing to the design, development, and deployment of technologies that affect all of us. This leads to more inclusive products, more equitable outcomes, and a more just and equitable society for everyone. Diversity is not just a box to check, it's a fundamental requirement for innovation. When we embrace diversity, we unlock the full potential of the tech industry and create a brighter future for all. Breaking barriers, one line of code at a time. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The same is true for breaking down barriers in tech. Each line of code we write, each algorithm we develop, each time we advocate for ourselves and others, we chip away at the status quo and create a more inclusive future. Don't be afraid to be the first, to be the only one in the room who looks like you. Your voice, your perspective, your experiences matter. By embracing your uniqueness and using your skills to make a difference, you inspire others to follow in your footsteps. Remember, you are not alone. There is a growing community of women in tech who are ready to support you, mentor you, and celebrate your successes. Together, we are creating a future where women in tech are not the exception but the norm. The power of mentorship lifting as we climb. As we break down barriers, it's crucial to remember the importance of lifting others as we climb. Mentorship is a powerful tool for empowerment and can make a world of difference for women starting their journey in tech. If you're in a position to mentor another woman, share your knowledge, offer guidance, and be a source of support and encouragement. Your experiences, both challenges and triumphs, can provide invaluable insights and help others navigate their own paths. And if you're just starting out, don't be afraid to seek out mentors who can provide guidance and support. There are countless women in tech who are eager to share their experiences and help you succeed. Remember, mentorship is a two-way street. Both the mentor and the mentee benefit from the relationship. By supporting each other, we create a stronger, more connected, and more supportive community for women in tech. The tech industry is evolving and women are at the forefront. Click the link in the description below to discover how you can build your own path in data analytics. No experience needed. What's stopping you from launching your career in tech? The first link in the description below, explore how women are paving the way in UX/UI design and how you can join them. Ever wondered how women are breaking barriers in tech? We're sharing real stories and career tips from those leading the way in sales engineering and beyond that earn between $100,000 and $150,000 monthly in the link below. Don't let barriers hold you back. With the right training and support, you can build an incredible career in tech. Click the official website link below to learn more about the